this is Frank and welcome back to Travel Tips. Today we're going to speak about one of my favorite countries, Dubai. I've been going there for 20 years now. I've seen massive changes from a little sandy town into one of the most exclusive travel destinations in the world. You've absolutely got to go over there. So let's speak about it. The money is dirhams and you're getting roughly about 3.7 dirhams to a dollar and about 4.6 to the pound. Now when you arrive there, they have one of the best airports in the world. And I want to tell you they are totally organized. I've been to over 100 different countries and all of their airports are crazy. When you get into Dubai, the airport is so organized and there are many places that you can go in. You virtually go straight through, pick up your luggage, and it's really easy. The whole immigration process, everything is easy to get through. Most countries I go to as well is there are always the con artists with the taxis, the false taxi drivers. So you want a taxi, and this doesn't happen in Dubai. They only have one official company that does all the taxiing for you. And the interesting thing was when I was there about 2 months ago, most of the drivers are now women. They have fixed fares. They are not going to rip you off. I want to tell you, anytime you go to Dubai and you take a taxi, you know you're going to be fine. You're not going to have any problems over there. Now there's many great areas over there. You've got your downtown area, but most of the people will be going to the beach areas. And there's the Palm, there's the Walk, there's so many different areas to go to. And I want to tell you, they are all fantastic. The culture over there, it's not like any other Arab country because about 85% of the population are actually expatriates that are working in Dubai. I can walk around like this, I can walk around in a tank top or costume. Girls don't need to put on any of the cover-ups or anything like that. So it's pretty free, but like any country, respect their culture as well. If you go to the local area, don't shake hands with any of the local women unless they offer it first. So always just be aware of the local cultures. Shopping. Just about the best place in the world for shopping. Now there are many places you can go there. One of my favorites is the Mall of the Emirates. Why? Because it has a full ski slope right inside. Can you imagine? You're sitting in a coffee shop having some coffee and you're looking out the window and you're seeing people skiing down all dressed up in this really hot country. One of my personal favorites is a smaller mall called Ibn Battuta. Actually it's not that small, it's about a mile long, but it's just one story. And of course the biggest mall in the world is Dubai Mall. It is huge. Your only challenge there, and with most of the malls, is trying to get a taxi when you go out. There are hundreds of taxis, but there are thousands of people visiting the malls. So do expect to wait a little while to get a taxi. Some of the places you've got to go and visit is, I love Atlantis. I stayed at Atlantis Hotel. You can swim with the dolphins, and they've probably got one of the best water parks in the world. You've got to try that really steep one. It is real scary, but absolutely fantastic. Food and drink. You can buy any kind of food you want in Dubai. Every big chain restaurant is there. Expect to pay a lot of money. Dubai is not cheap. Hotels are expensive. Food is expensive. Drinks are horrendous. I was there with a friend of mine a little while ago and we ordered a jug of beer. We were at the Jumeirah Beach Hotel and that cost us $100. He nearly had a heart attack. Expect to be paying around $10 for a beer, about $20 for a glass of wine. So booze is really expensive and you can only get it in the hotels or the hotel restaurants. Take a desert tour. One of the best things you can do in Dubai is to take that tour. You go out in the afternoon, you get into the 4x4s, you go onto the sand, and I mean, what these guys do with those 4x4s are absolutely amazing. What you then do is you go into the night, and about 11 o'clock, it's now dark in the desert, and you go right into the middle of the desert. You don't know where you are, and all of a sudden there's an oasis, this campsite. By this time you're starving, and you have the best barbecue meal you could ever wish for. Some of the other places to go Of course, Dubai has the biggest and the best of everything. So go to the Burj Al Khalifa, which is the highest building in the world, and also the Burj Al Arab, one of only 2 7-star hotels in the world. You will pay to go in, but they have a pure gold waterfall when you walk in. But I've also got to tell you, my favorite hotel in the world is there. I've been going there for 15 to 20 years, and it's just an amazing hotel. It's called the Meridian, Le Royal Meridian. In fact, it's won the prize for the best hotel in the Middle East for the last 10 years. Last year it won the best beach hotel in the world. Go and say hi to Pam Wilby. She's the lady who runs it, and she's a legend in hospitality in the Middle East. Let's see, what else is there for us to do over there? We've got shopping, we've got the best beaches in the world, the sunsets are fantastic. In fact, Dubai is just an awesome place to go to. I often, if I'm traveling somewhere, I'll even go via Dubai, take a couple of days there, really enjoy it all. The people are fantastic, crime is almost negligible over there. Hi, this is Frank, and here I am in Dubai, which is, for me, the most amazing place on the planet. They've recreated everything. They're going to be building the world's fastest train in the world. Let's just take a look what it looks like in the evening over here. So what we have here is the world's biggest Ferris wheel. If we move over there in the distance, you can see one of the world's best hotels, the Atlantis Hotel. This is at 7 o'clock in the evening. The buildings are absolutely amazing. Everybody's out on the beach, swimming. Sunset with the world's biggest Ferris wheel. In the distance there you can see the island that they just built, a man-made island, and that has Caesar's Palace on it. As we come around you can see Dubai by night, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm staying at the lovely Hilton Hotel here. You can sit on the beach. Absolutely beautiful. So in your travels, put this on your list of places to see. So please put this on your place to go and see, places to go and see is Dubai. Hey, this is Frank. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Travel Tips.